Randall's Adventures SE5 that everybody knows about. And yeah, the finish is already kind of starting to come off of it. It's been hacking and whacking and smacking, you know. And because of the thickness of the actual blade, that gives it some heft. Like if I want to hold a vine and like I'm able to really use this to take a branch off, stuff like that. So if I need like a branch, for example, if I need to quickly camouflage a vehicle and I need to get some foliage, this has some cleaver heft. Like you can kind of push, push. This thing can chop and not just cut. I have it on my duty belt all the time. So the people that say it's too heavy, not really. Now for me, for my loadout, you guys know that those that are been watching the channel a long time, you guys know that I'm a convicted felon and that I open carry this. Okay, so for me, I have to make up for the fact that I can't carry a real firearm by carrying something like this. And I want a tool that gives me a lot of heft, and I want something girthy, and I want something that's really got that chopping power when I use it as a tool, as well as something that I can pry with. And God forbid, if I do have to use this thing as a weapon, I want to have an edge over somebody that might have a way better weapon than me. Somebody might be, God forbid, I might go up against somebody that has a firearm of some sort. I want it to be the best knife possible, because if I'm up against a person with a real firearm and all I have is a knife and a pepperball gun, then it better be a pretty damn good knife. That's the thought process. I can almost guarantee not that many people EDC this thing. Like when you see this thing, you don't think of this as an EDC blade. But this is my EDC blade. It's on my belt constantly. I like the lockout feature that the sheath has. I'll make sure there's B-roll footage of that as well. The sheath is paracord friendly, so you can attach it to a duty belt if anybody's wondering about that. If you're a normal person, like that doesn't open carry EDC SE5, which is probably most of the people watching this, yeah, you could definitely strap it to a backpack. It's definitely Molly webbing friendly. The sheath does come in black, but it seems to hold spray paint just fine, so you can spray it camo or tan or however you want to do it. A lot of guys don't want a black sheath because a black sheath tends to, it's like a dark blob silhouette. We try to avoid black on our kit. But anyways, that's my review of the ESEE. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here in a minute. But I can honestly say this thing's pretty cool. It has some pretty good cutting power. Well, guys, if you like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, support the channel, buy the merch, all that good stuff. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jarrett, signing off. Look at that beautiful bird right there. I'm not really a bird watcher. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but it's a pretty beautiful bird.